Yeah, good evening, everyone. As explained in the last meeting, so TradersPost tool is an interface between the algorithm and your systems. So C2 is like an interface between an analyst and your systems. Whereas, as I explained, there will be different tickers, different things will be moving on sometimes, right? The human emotions, right? Today, for example, ES and Q, they were already overbought during the night, but it continued the same trend throughout the day. Last 10-15 minutes it started coming down, but again, as an analyst, it is difficult to go long because already it was so much overbought, it is ready for a reversion. But market makers, right, they were initially, it was little choppy for some time, they were bringing it down, taking it up, bringing it down, and then suddenly the squeeze happened, and NQ, ES, EMD, everything moved so high. So such type of decisions, right, as a because of human emotions, we will not be able to take a long at that time, right? Because already it was so much moved over the night. Generally, when you see such a big move during the night, then generally it will come down minimum for some point, and then again it will start going up without any retracement. It nearly for complete morning's US session, it went up like anything. There was a huge squeeze. So this algo will solve such type of issues, right? Without any emotions, it will basically see that okay, if it is moving up, it will close the short, immediately start going up. If it sees that it is coming down, immediately it will close and take a short. So without any emotions, without any assumptions, which will keep us right. There might be, when the market is choppy, there might be small losses, but when market is trending upwards or downwards, it will give us nice gains. So that's the advantage. So some of you already who started are seeing the results, and so many of you had a common question that why you are not able to see the numbers, right? At what price it is buying, at what price it is selling, because TradersPost paper account is a dummy paper account, right? Because they are not a real-time broker like Thinkorswim or TradeStation or Fidelity or any other, right? TradersPost paper account is just like a dummy account where based on the timings. For example, you see that ES got bought at around 9:05 a.m. Then it got sold at 9:15 a.m. So one option is you can go to TradingView or Thinkorswim and you can compare like, okay, what was the price at 9:05? What is the price at 9:15? Whether it went up or went down, and you can understand, okay, it is a profit or it is a loss. Or you will see, okay, NQ, there was a sell at 3 p.m. and then there was a buy at 3:15. Okay, in this 15 minutes it went down, so it is like a profitable trade. Like that, you have to manually do one by one. That is one option, because TradersPost paper account is a dummy account. It will only show that okay, there are buys and there are sell transactions, but it won't show you because it is not connected with any real-time data. It is not connected with, it cannot retrieve those prices, right? At what price ES is there or ES was there and Q was there. It cannot see those prices. So TradersPost is just a dummy tool. In case, right, one best way you can do is you can go to TraderStation and just create a account. You don't need to deposit any money. Just create a account which should have, right, which you can complete within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. That is one way, right? And then use the TradeStation paper account itself as your paper account, right? That is the best option. The second option is, for example, you want to test out two different strategies. All right, one with micros, one with minis, or one with options, one with stocks, one way. So then what you can do is you can first, right, you already have a TradersPost paper account. You have an option to connect the TradersPost paper account with TradeStation's data. So even though you are using TradersPost, the TradeStation will be sending the data to TradersPost. Then you can see the prices. What is the buy price? What is the sell price for whatever transactions which is happening? I hope you all got it right. The first thing is you can just create a TradeStation paper trading account, and you can use that as a right as your paper account. So and then you will subscribe to that paper account. So let me show that step now. Maybe Shiva, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
So once you log into the screen, what you have to do is go to the brokers, right at the top. Maybe click on the logo, TradersPost logo, right? Once you click on the TradersPost, you will see all the options available. Then what you can do is, right, you will see what are the live brokers, what are the paper brokers available. Maybe click on right let's say classes, or go to the top. Yeah, you have a brokers drop down there, right? If you see, yeah, you have a, yeah, then click on the connected brokers. So here you have two buttons here. One is connect live broker, connect paper broker. Then you can basically click on connect paper broker. And then, right, because he already got multiple brokers attached, it is showing this option. But it will show all different brokerage accounts, like do you want to connect to TDM Retrade, or do you want to connect to TradeStation? Then
Or
you
I can disconnect if you want, disconnect and then reconnect again to show to everybody.
right, yeah,
Let me do that. Let me disconnect this one, delete this.
right.
Okay, now let me connect again.
Right, yeah. So you will click on that connect paper broker, and then let us say you already opened a TradeStation paper account, right, which should not happen more than 5 minutes, your personal account or something. And then, yeah, you will click, you will say I agree. And then, yeah, basically you enter your credentials and
Yeah.
right. So now your paper account is connected. So you can basically do save this paper account.
Okay, since already connected here, it's already says connected. So
Right.
once you save,
Yeah.
you will get a message here saying that it's already connected successfully.
Right. Yeah.
Then
You
you
get
will see that here on the left.
right. Now, once you connect your paper account, what you have to do is now again go back and click on the TradersPost logo. And then if you come here, you will see under strategies, you have webhook strategy subscriptions. You can click on the subscriptions. Okay.
Now let me see why it's not showing.
I think, yeah, that one is for.
Let me delete this.
Okay,
Oh,
this
this
is
is.
for your own subscriptions. So
I think we
you,
have to go
yeah,
to strategies.
right.
Strategies. Yeah.
You can go to strategies and you can say subscribe. So whenever you fill the form, right after you register, you will fill the form, and then we will give you access to the strategies. One is for micro strategy, one is for mini strategy. Once you click on the strategies, and you will say subscribe, that means you are ready to receive the signals from the strategy. And then it will ask, okay, do you want to connect to a live account, or do you want to connect to a paper account? So you will select paper account.
Okay. Then click on auto submit.
Yeah, once you do that, you will say auto submit. You want to take both long and short positions, and then you will say, right, allow any ticker, unless you want to receive only ES or NQ. Yeah, you will select that option, and then your broker is TradeStation. And quantity, you can leave it blank, or you want to limit to only 1 or 2 positions. So even if algo sends 5 micros also, it will only take 2 in your account. Or you can just keep it blank so that whatever algo sends, that will be there in your account. Yeah,
that's it.
and then click on save.
Before that, we have to enable it, then save. Enable. I saw this error message, so you click on enable button. Then after that, go and do all this step. This checkbox here, auto submit. Allow any ticker. That's pretty much it. Then click on save.
Right.
You will get a trading strategy subscription saved successfully message. That's it.
That means your broker, your paper broker or live broker, whatever you selected, that is connected with the strategy. So whatever that strategy sends the signals, they will be placed into your account. That is right. This is one way where you create a TradeStation account, which should not take more than 5 minutes, and then you will connect the TradeStation TradeStation account here. And once you create the broker, then you will connect a subscription with that broker. That is one way. The second way is where you already have TradersPost paper account. Again, you can go to brokers and yeah, connect with a paper broker. Yeah, you can say connect paper broker.
Here you can choose TradersPost
Right.
instead of TradeStation.
Yeah. And then here in the market data source, because TradersPost is a dummy account, they don't have their own data. So what you are doing is you are taking help of TradeStation, and you will the market data source, you will use TradeStation, and then you will check box market data, use live broker account. That means you are using the data from a live right? This is a dummy account, TradersPost, whereas TradeStation has a live data. So you are using that live data. So even though your TradersPost paper account is connected to the algo, it is taking help from the data of TraderStation, and it will show you what is the buy price, sell price in your account. So I hope you all got it. One way is just create a TradeStation account and connect the TradeStation account to the strategy. The second way is use your TradersPost account, but just select market data source as TradeStation and use market data, use live broker account, and click on the save button. So these are the two options. So you can basically see what rates are coming from the algo, what is the buy price, what is the sell price, what is the overall profit and loss for the day. All those things you can monitor in a better manner. Otherwise, it will just show that okay, buy is happening, sell is happening. You have to go to a broker and then compare, okay, at what time it was bought, at what time it was sold. You have to manually do all the calculations to know the profit and loss for the day. Right. Let me look at all the questions, and if you don't have any issues, you can also share the screen. I will see like where there might be a problem, why you are not seeing. I don't see market data source in TradersPost. Okay. Wait, once you fill the form tonight, we'll give you the access to it. Let me write. Okay. Ashok, you can share your screen. I will see like what is the issue you are facing.
Like Kishore, so I'm sharing my screen now.
Right.
So
okay, you are connected with a TradersPost account, but you don't have any other paper trade account, right? So that's why I think it is not giving you even the checkbox. For example, you can go and create a TradeStation or Alpaca, right? Just it won't take more than 2-3 minutes. You can say click on Connect Live Broker.
Okay.
And then go to Alpaca or TradeStation.
Okay. And does it take futures? Because Alpaca, I thought it was
Alpaca is only for stocks. But just to show you that how to enable the checkbox. But otherwise, you can open for TradeStation itself. You can say I agree. And then if you don't have an account, you can basically create an account here. You can just open another tab. You can hide your screen. TradersStation.com. Yeah, TradeStation.
Okay, so I have to create an account no matter what, correct?
Right. If you want to see the live data, the live data, because TradersPost is a dummy paper account, we
Okay.
have to create a paper account from TradeStation. So it
just
will
a paper account from TraderStation. Okay.
right. Yeah.
Okay. So once I do that, I enter the details here, and then what will happen? It will come.
Yeah. Then whatever Shiva has shown earlier, that you will right. Yeah. Now once you create that, now you come here and click on edit button on the TradersPost. And
Okay.
then you will see those options called as connect to the market, right, live data. Then you will select the TradeStation, and then you will select the checkbox and click on save button.
Okay. Got it.
Right, yeah, that is what most of you are facing. Where so only thing understand TradersPost is they don't have their own data. It is just a dummy account, so that's why they are not able to show you the buy price, sell price. So for that, we will create a TradeStation paper account and then connect that paper account to TradeSpost, so we can see the numbers. You don't need to put any money in TradeStation. You don't need to provide a lot of information. It is just a paper account, so you can create within 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, Ashok, you can.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can create and maybe share later. In meantime, you can create. We'll see any other questions from others. It should be easy. Once you create, then you will be able to connect this TradersPost to the TradeStation account.
Got it. Okay, I will try right now. Thank you, Kishore.
Sure. Mahesh, do you want to share the screen? Yeah, Mahesh, please share the screen, or what is the issue you are facing. So again, TradeStation will have two paper accounts. It will have margin account, it will have futures account. So while selecting the account, you have to select futures account. If you select a margin account, it will say that it doesn't have. So yeah, can you go up? You first go to brokers. You have a other drop down, right? Brokers. Besides strategies, you have another drop down. Brokers drop down. Click on that broker. Yeah. Okay. TradersPost, TradeStation. Okay, good. Now go to this TradersPost and click on the edit button. Yeah. Click on edit button. Yeah. Let us connect the TradersPost to the TradeStation to retrieve the data. Right. Okay. Come down. Yeah. Now, select TradeStation and then checkbox. Market data. Use live broker. Yeah. Put the checkbox. Right. Yeah. Click on save. And come down and let us see if this is already subscribed. Right, yeah, it is already subscribed to this one. So whatever micros happens, they will come to this particular account, this particular paper account. In the same way, you can go to the other broker, the TradeStation broker, or you can also subscribe to this one also, micros and minis. You can see all the transactions in one account. Or you want to differentiate, you want to have all minis in one account, all micros in one account, you can also do that. So for example, you want to, yeah, right? Do you want to connect to the same account, or do you want to connect them to two different accounts? Now, this micro subscription, micro strategy is connected to your TradersPost. And TradersPost is taking the data from TradeStation. So it will show you numbers. Whenever there is a buy or sell, it will show that, okay, at this price it is bought, at this price it is sold.
Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to differentiate. So, but when I try to use the mini for the trade station, it is giving the error. Like, access is not there.
Can you go back to the brokers again?
Okay.
And yeah, select the TradeStation. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on enable strategy subscription.
So
As of now, it doesn't have any subscription. Okay, now yeah, select auto submit. Okay, come down. Allow any ticker, yeah. And then broker is TradeStation. Okay. Use no, don't use
not that one. Yeah.
Right.
So this should be features only, right?
Right. Quantity, you can keep it blank.
Yeah. And I can allow this one add to a position, but I can remove it. That's okay.
Yeah, that is not mandatory. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now click on save. What is the error it is throwing? Come down. Let us see what error.
Yeah, this is the error I am getting. TradeStation broken does not support features.
Can you TradeStation doesn't, okay. Can you go to that asset classes? Is futures enabled in the asset classes?
Yeah. You are talking about in a TradersPost?
Right, you go to TradersPost. Click on the logo. Yeah.
Asset classes, I enable them actually. So
You
earlier it was giving the error for the other strategy, so I enabled it.
Okay.
But for when I'm trying to connect to that, I mean, as you see, right? So TraderPost paper account is good with micros, but when I try to do the TradeStation, it's not working. I mean, it is giving that error.
So
Right,
you call TradeStation and ask them to enable features in TradeStation. In TradeStation.
Okay.
Yeah. If they are not, maybe by default, futures they may not enable. So if they enable, then it might work.
Okay. So go to the TradeStation and enable features there probably.
Right. And also, I think you selected margin instead of futures. Again, go back to the brokers. Click on the brokers drop down.
Okay.
Go to the TradeStation, yeah. And then edit broker. And here you have a live account. You have margin and futures. The two accounts are there. Can you select futures? The choose live account.
Right. Choose live. Okay.
Yeah, same thing in the choose paper account. Also do the same.
Okay.
Right, now click on save. Right. Yeah. Now you should be able to. Yeah, allow any ticker. You have to put select that allow any ticker. Either you have to give some ticker names or you have to put the checkbox for allow.
I think I selected allow ticker, I believe. 1 second, maybe. Oh yeah, it removed. Sorry. Thank you.
Right now, click on enable button. enable. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Thank you. I think also we need to change from this
Yeah,
brokers.
TradeStation will come with one margin paper account and also futures paper account. So if we select margin, it
Thank
will
you.
not. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Anyone has any other questions? Anyone want to share their screen? Market data source in TradersPost. Again, that's the same reason, because if you have to see market data source, there should be a source available. If you are as of now, TradersPost has only TradersPost paper account. There is no other source. So you have to definitely connect with some other brokerage account. For example, if you connect with Alpaca or TD Ameritrade, you might be already having TD Ameritrade. If you connect with that, you can subscribe to any stock strategy or option strategy, because TD Ameritrade as of now, it is only supporting those two. To TradersPost, it will send that data to TradersPost. But if you want to see data for futures, only TradeStation is giving that. So you have to create a paper account of TradeStation, and then you connect TradeStation as a market data source, so that you can have one strategy in TradersPost and you can have one strategy in TradeStation. In that way, you have two different strategies. You can test them. Still, you can test both the strategies in one itself, because you have micros and minis, so you can easily differentiate what is the profit. But still, right, in future, you may want to subscribe to only one strategy. Then you will know that, okay, if I subscribe to my micros, this is what is I can expect, or this is, if I subscribe to minis, this is what I can expect, like that. So that's the only difference. But otherwise, you can subscribe, as long as they should not conflict. If there are two strategies with minis, if you combine both of them into one paper account, one strategy may open it, another strategy may close it. If something is on 5-minute strategy, something is on 1 hour strategy, 1 hour may open it, 5 minutes may close it. So as long as they are different tickers, that means one is MNQ, one is NQ. So even though you are opening two at same time, it won't impact each other, like that. So I hope everyone got it. In the same paper account, you can have multiple strategies, as long as those strategies should not conflict with each other. One algo should not say buy now and another algo should not say sell now. If anyone would like to once everything is set up, we are not seeing trades, right? Trade should happen, right? Once you set it up, then if a trade happens, for example, right? Mahesh can see a trade that 10:25 PM, that CLQ, right? Sell order for CLQ. Right, TD Ameritrade, you can use TD Ameritrade if you are only subscribing to stocks or option strategy. If you want a future strategy, you have to connect with the TraderStation paper account.
So one quick question. So is it a sell position? Are we, it won't allow in the joining in the middle, right? Let's say it's already open as a sell, but are we, if it is a sell order for closing existing position, how do we know that one? I hope we understand what I'm trying to ask.
Generally order, right? If there is no open position, that order will not happen. Right. For example, right, let us say there is a long position. Let us say algo send a long on NQ, and you saw that you already made $1,000 and you are happy. And if you close it, and again algo is sending a covering the sell position now, because you don't have the trade in your account, the trade will not happen in your account. So this sell is like it is like a new sell transaction.
So it will send like a sell to close, sell to open, right?
Right, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Perfect.
Right. So yeah, you will see transactions like this with your buy and sell transactions. If you again go back, all right, if you click on the trades, right, after a few minutes, yeah, there is a trades button. Yeah. You will see all the trades, whatever happened, you will see all those trades when it was bought, when it was sold. And then your right paper trading account is like a 100K account. So you can see like how much it is moving up and down on day-to-day basis. So go back to the paper trading, click on the paper trading account. Or yeah, right, yeah, select. So you will see that this 100,000, okay, open profit and loss is $2,000 or something, right? Tomorrow when you come here, every day you can see what is the day's profit and loss. In that way, you can see, okay, what is right. If you want to go detailed view, then you will go to the trades and see, okay, PL or NQ, all those. Or you want to see, okay, at the end of the day, am I gaining? Am I losing? You will see the day's profit and loss. That will show that how much you made on the day, and how much this 100,000 will be increasing on day-to-day basis. So anyone has any other questions?
Kishore Garu, I do have questions regarding the plan 103. I don't know whether it is a good form to ask, or do you want to handle those things later?
We'll handle them in a separate meeting. So let us keep this for traders post related questions.
Got it. Yeah, sure.
Anyone has any other questions related to the traders post setup? Right, make sure you subscribe. Right, you should have subscription in your right. Maybe Anil, you can share your screen. I can see like what is the issue, why you are not seeing the trades.
Shall I stop sharing them?
Yeah, you can stop sharing unless you have any other questions.
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, if anyone is having questions, you can share your screen, so it will be easy, and also it will help others if they are also facing the same issue. Shiva, if you are facing problem, you can share your screen. I can tell you like where you might be making a mistake. Yeah, okay, I will Anil. Anil, can you try sharing now? Anil, we can't hear you if you're talking.
Yeah, Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear now. Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
1 second. I'm sure.
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
No, Anil. No, not as of now. If it is taking time, shall I ask Shiva to share? Anil,
Yeah.
do you have any? Yeah, Shiva, you should be able to see share screen also.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see it. Yeah, TradeStation.
I've just created the TradeStation account and I'm trying to connect to the broker.
Okay.
Someone else started sharing.
No,
Anil is.
yeah, Anil, can you hold on for a few minutes? We'll. Yeah.
So let me share it back. So I've just created the account. So it got created. So all this my account details.
Right.
Then I went to the
Now go
connected.
back to brokers. Yeah. Click on brokers, connected brokers. Yeah, click there. And TradeStation is already connected.
Oh, it's already. Okay.
Right. Now click on edit.
For the TradeStation or TradersPost?
Which one you want to subscribe? Where you want to see all your trades?
Maybe, yeah, TradeStation. I want to see everything in one.
Yeah, then click edit. You can say, okay, TradeStation. Okay. Yeah, you select futures. Yeah, you can just save it. If you put one, then even for micros or minis, it will only take one position.
Oh, should I leave it blank then?
Yeah, you can leave it blank.
Okay.
Yeah, save.
Yep, it's saved. Create.
Right. Now you will go to the strategies. Yeah, click on strategies. Yeah, you say subscribe. Yeah, you want to TradeStation. Yeah, confirm.
Auto submit.
Auto submit. Select allow any ticker.
Futures.
Right, you can remove the quantity if you.
Okay.
Yeah, you can say use signal quantity. Go up. Yeah.
And then allow add to position. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you don't select that auto submit checkbox, then what will happen is every time you have to approve for the signal to take place or not. If you do auto submit, then directly it will happen in your account. If you don't check that auto submit, every time you have to approve, then only the transaction will happen.
Okay.
So now same thing, you will go to strategies and again subscribe the second one.
Is this now subscribed?
Yeah. Yeah, click, select that, yeah.
Okay. Auto submit. I just went through. Okay. Allow any ticker. Use live broker. Oh, no. Sorry. This is
that is once you want to take the trades on your real account, then you will select that option.
Okay. Okay. So then save. Is not enabled review or subscription. So I think no errors here.
Now click on the enable button there, right? Once you select all these things, you will click on enable button. Go to the top and there is enable button there. Yeah. Right. Now, if you go back to the brokers drop down and select TradeStation. Now you click on edit strategy subscription. And okay, now these are already saved. Or go back one screen. Yeah, select the TradeStation. and click on edit brokers, other trades. Click on edit broker. If you come down, yeah, just scroll down. Yeah, it shows that, okay, what are the subscriptions which are attached to that brokerage account. So
Okay, so it enabled same
Yeah.
twice.
one is one is micro, okay, two. So you can delete one and go back and subscribe the minis.
Okay.
Right. Go back to the strategies. Yeah, click on the strategies option. And now select the mini. Click on subscribe. So, yeah.
Okay. So submit. 11 ticker. And this is futures. Okay. And then enable.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, if you go back and just that is to verify whether both got enabled or not. Yeah. Click on edit broker.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah. You can see that, okay, mini is enabled, micro. So tomorrow, if options is there, you will see options or stocks like that. You will see all various subscriptions for that particular broker. Again, you want to see what are the strategies for some other paper account. Like this, if you go and click on edit broker, you will know all the strategies connected to that broker.
Okay, which are assigned.
Okay.
And then active trades, I can click on this trades and see the active trades, right? Like what has happened today.
Right.
Kind of
Or you can go to the top. Right. Once, now it is connected. So any trades which will happen, they will, for this strategy, whatever trades happen, all will come here. Or you can watch at the brokerage level also. So it will show for all the strategies, what are the trades happen.
Oh, meaning like if I open the
Right.
trade
Then
station.
and then go to the trades here. Click on the trades button. No, you don't need to go. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Then it will show for strategy 1, strategy 2, all the whatever happened, all those trades it will show. Or you can filter, right? Okay, for micros from this date to this date, what are the various transactions?
Can I see the same things in here in TradersPost as well, like in the real this account?
Yeah. Basically, these trades are going and getting placed into trades
Directly.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tomorrow,
So I can view them both the places.
Right. Yeah. You can compare whether the same trade is posted there or not.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So we'll monitor this for another couple of weeks, right? And then we'll see how it does.
Yeah, it is doing good, right? As I mentioned,
Yeah,
as long as we have a move up or down, we'll make profits. Only if it is just moving 2 points up, moving 2 points down like that, that is where we'll have small losses. But even though there is 1 or 2 choppy days, then again, there might be one big day, right? Today it moved so much like that. If we have days like this, it will make just with one contract $2,000-3,000 like that. So.
Okay. Hopefully. Yep. Sure.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Let me stop share.
Anil, do you want to share now? I hope everyone is getting it right. You have only 2 things. One is brokers, and second thing is subscriptions. You have to just create your paper trade brokerage accounts or live brokerage accounts, and then subscription. If you go to subscriptions, you will see all the subscriptions for which you got access. You have to just connect those 2. That's it. And then from next day, you will start seeing all the trades, whatever trades are happening. Anil, you can unmute and share your screen if you're ready.
No, Kishore, I'm good.
No, you're good. Okay, cool. Yeah, Ashok, you can share your screen.
Okay, sure. So I've created this TradeStation account. It
Right.
shows something like this, right?
Right. Yeah. Go to the.
When I came here, I tried to create on the TradeStation. It is showing like this.
Yeah. Just go back to the broker
Yeah, I think you
setting.
can ignore this error. Yeah.
Yeah. Just
I'll
click on
just
save. Click on save and go back.
save. Okay.
Yeah. Now just go back to that brokers. Yeah. So now both of them are connected. Your TradersPost and TradeStation both are connected.
Hmm.
Now, on which one you want to get the subscriptions, or on which one you want to see the strategies? If you want to see both on one, you can do that, or you want micros on one, minis on one, also you can do that. So go to.
Okay, so TradersPost is where we were looking at earlier. So if I
Right, yeah, click on edit,
edit,
and then now select the market data source, the TradeStation. Yeah, click on save button. So now you can already see that it has.
so this error is coming like this. TradeStation does not support live accounts.
Okay, choose paper account. You select the TradersPost. You select the drop down. Choose paper account. Okay, yeah, that is good. Market data source, TradeStation doesn't support.
I think something wrong when I actually connected TradeStation, I think.
Okay, you can disconnect that and connect it again. Go back to the brokers and yeah, delete TradeStation. And again, you can connect live broker, select TradeStation. Yeah, login.
So broker connected successfully is what it
Right, yeah.
said.
Click on save.
Save.
You can just ignore this error. Go to connected brokers.
I think ignoring this error only is giving some kind of an issue, looks like. So
Okay, it seems okay. You connected. Now go back to that connect paper broker. Click on the connect paper broker and again select TradeStation.
okay, it is again asking to log in.
Yeah, just click on login and because you have live account and paper account of TradeStation. So let us. Okay, you can just rename it as TradeStation paper or something instead of TradeStation 2. You can say TradeStation paper. Yeah. So see, choose paper account. Yeah.
And save.
Mhm. Yeah. Go back to the TradersPost. Yeah. Click on edit broker. And here, yeah, market data source. Yeah, TradeStation paper. Yeah. Select that. Save. Yeah. Now you should be able to see all the numbers. So now your TradersPost, where you have both the subscriptions, is connected to the real-time market data. So whenever there is a buy or sell, you will see the actual number there.
Okay, so where is it trading this right now? Is it trading on TradersPost or TradeStation paper? The subscriptions?
Subscriptions are just right, because TradersPost, they don't have a brokerage account. So it is just you will see buy and sell transactions. The transactions are not happening anywhere, right? They are happening on a dummy paper account of TradersPost. If you want them to appear on TradeStation, what you have to do is you go back to TradeStation paper, click on that.
This one, live?
Go to the paper brokers.
Okay.
Now new strategy subscription.
Okay.
And then you will basically connect those two.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
now whatever trades happen, they will also, you can go to the TradeStation account and open it. You will see all the trades there in the paper account of TradeStation.
Oh, okay. So both places it will probably reflect the same, right?
Right. Yeah, it will reflect the same.
Okay, I clicked on one. Then I have to select this one, TradersStation paper.
Right. Yeah. Right. If you want, you can delete that 2 number there. Quantity, you can just keep it blank. So whatever it comes from the signal, that will happen in your account. Yeah. Just you can click on save. And then go to the top and enable fail to save. Come down. What is the error it is throwing?
Subscription is not enabled.
Oh, okay. And then click on the enable button. There is TradeStation.
Oh, TradeStation paper broker does not support futures.
Again, I think you selected margin there instead of futures. Go back.
Go back to here. Huh?
Yeah, click on the logo and click on the TradeStation paper. Edit broker. Yeah, instead of margin, you see they have futures account. Yeah, select futures.
Second one
Right.
has, okay.
Yeah, click save. Yeah, now you should be able to enable because it has one margin account, one futures account because you are subscribing to futures.
Okay. So should I edit this one here or?
Yeah.
To submit both. This is correct. This. Save. Yeah.
Click on enable button. Yeah. Now this got enabled. Same thing it will do for the other subscription. Again, go back to strategies. So this is a micro. Yeah. Now you will do the mini. Yeah, auto submit. Right. Yeah, now the trades will happen. You can see them here. You can also go to TradeStation and see them.
Yeah, I think the logos are differentiating, right? So, yeah.
Right, yeah.
So I can click on any of these two and then it will show the same, it should reflect the same.
Right, yeah.
So what is this 360?
I think that's the, yeah, can you open that?
I started with 100K. Then how did it become 260, 518? I'm not sure, but
maybe you made a lot of profits today.
No, but it's connected just now only, right? It was not connected in the morning for any live data.
Contracts. Because I can see a lot of closed orders, even though right live data is not there, that means you are not seeing the numbers. But the transactions are happening, right? Because you are connected to the strategy. So for example, that NQU, if you come down, yeah, you have one contract. Yeah, I don't know why. But yeah.
September 23. Okay. Okay, that is
Right. Yeah. You can again, if you want to reset it to again 100K, you can reset it. Right. You don't want to have huge expectations and expect the same every day. So you can click on edit broker and just click on reset button there. Yeah. Reset amount to you can say 100,000 or 60,000, whatever you want. Yeah, keep it 100 for easy calculations. And yeah, you can also delete them.
yeah, anyway, this is only running in the market hours, right? Our strategy or
No, futures will run across 23 hours a day.
okay. I thought we were just doing for the regular market hours.
Right. Well, a few days we'll see if it is right. There are some days where crude oil, gold, they will move during night time also very well. So that's why, yeah, as of now, we want to run it across all the 23 hours.
Okay, so now this is reset.
Right.
So
Yeah.
100. This one also okay. There's no reset here, I guess.
Right. For TradeStation, I don't think they have. You have to go to TradeStation and reset it there.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Good. I think this is good.
Right.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Kishore. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. You'll start seeing all the transactions.
Yeah, that was like shocking, right? 100 to 365.
Right. But yeah, I think there might be some orders might be flowing. But anyway, yeah, you will see the real numbers from tomorrow. So.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much.
Okay, sure, no problem. Bye. So anyone has any other questions? Issue completed it. Again, as of now, right, our focus is mainly futures because that runs across 23 hours. We won't have liquidity issues. We won't have volume issues. The options, again, the problem can be, right, if a lot of members subscribe, again, the premiums can spike up and all those. So we'll start with futures and later we'll think about options or stocks. But for now, we'll just because even to recover also, it will be quick with futures compared to options or stocks.
So Kishore, one quick question. Sorry. So is there a minimum amount when this is running live, right? Is there a minimum amount and therefore the positions and all will be taken accordingly? Like
Right. Yeah. If you're going with the micros, it is better to have minimum 30,000. If you're going with the minis, it is better to have 50 to 60K.
okay, and the bot will pick up the count from where actually from a setting that we do at our end or that you do at your end on the bot side.
Yeah, if you don't put anything, then whatever quantity, generally minis will be sending one or maximum two at a time. Micros, it will be 4 to 5 at one time. So if you want, if you are subscribing to mini and you want it to restrict to one, you can put the quantity and then it will only take that quantity.
Got it.
For example,
Okay.
if you put one, then it will only take one, even if we send two.
So that is something which we do at our end. Then the
Right.
setting
If you
the
don't
minimum
do, then whatever we are sending, that will get entered into the signal.
Okay. Okay. Got it. 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 Okay, okay. But then if we are choosing not to put any restriction on our side, then the minimum amount that you are subscribing is what we should have in our accounts, in our live accounts.
Right, then transaction will happen. Otherwise, the transaction will get rejected. It says that insufficient balance, the transaction will not happen in your account.
Got it. Yeah.
So
Clarified.
that's why we want to restrict with 1 or 2 tickers maximum per strategy. So that, for example, if algo sends a signal for gold, crude oil, ES, everything, it says that they are at a good point to buy. If it sends all the buy signals, you may not have sufficient amount in the account. So if we have only ES strategy, then only ES buy and sell will happen. Or if we have NQ strategy, any NQ buy or NQ sell, it will happen in the tech. So you won't have any margin issues or anything.
Understood. Yeah, makes sense. Thanks, Kishore.
Sure. Yeah, if there are no other questions, I think everyone got like, why you are not seeing numbers and how to connect this TradersPost with TradeStation brokerage account, how to subscribe, how to reset the paper accounts, all those things. So yeah, right, keep watching, right? Once you feel confident, then don't be in a hurry. Take time, and then you can connect to the live accounts. Definitely, yeah, it is working good, but it's always better to do due diligence for enough time before connecting the live accounts. So,
Kishore, one last question. Could you show where to see in TradeStation? I can share my screen. The trades we can. You said that we can see the trades taken in TradeStation also, right?
right, if you download the client software and you will connect to the paper account.
Yeah, I did that, but I wanted to just understand the navigation path. I can share my screen. So here is my account for TradeStation. So here I wanted to know where to go and see the trades happening. This is paper account only.
Okay, balance, positions, orders. You have something, right? Recommended workspace at the bottom. Recommended
Yeah.
workspaces. You have balances, positions, orders. Yeah, click on
Okay.
that. Then you will see all the orders in that paper account.
Mhm.
But again, right? Yeah, whether you see it there or see it here, it is the same thing.
Okay.
Are there any trades in your real account now, or not the real, but on the TradersPost? Do you have some trades?
No, so I think this one came through.
Right.
This came through.
Right. Yeah. MES long position. Right. Yeah.
I think it just got closed, I believe. Okay. Yeah, still, yeah. CL open, CL short, ES long.
Right. Yeah. So you can
Okay.
basically compare here and compare there. Basically, you will have the same numbers at both the places.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. If there are no other questions, let's close the call. And yeah, talk to you during next week, everyone. Thank you. Bye. I hope no one has any issues if I share the recording, right? Because most of them will have the same questions, right? There is no confidential data or anything. So I hope everyone is okay with that. Thanks, everyone. Good night.
Yeah, we're okay. Thanks, everyone.